Hey everyone, it's Ashleigh and Lucky.
Hey.
And we are your health and wellness connectors with Refuge, Hamilton Center for Newcomer Health.
Yes. We are so excited to be in this role, and we look forward to supporting the mental health and wellness of Black and racialized youth in our community.
And while our focus is on Black and racialized youth, if there is any student that needs help, please have them contact us at wellness@newcomerhealth.ca. We are here to support your overall health and wellness.
Health and wellness in Black and racialized communities is often stigmatized and goes unchecked. So we are humbled and honored to do this work right here in Hamilton to support our Black and racialized youth. Here are the facts. Studies show witnessing or being the target of anti-Black racism can have adverse effects on mental health and physical well-being. And research suggests that the adult Black community is 20% more likely to experience serious mental health problems, such as major depressive disorder or generalized anxiety disorder. We also have studies that show Black youth are twice as likely to experience poor mental health than their counterparts.
Studies have also identified employment and financial security, as well as the ability to receive much-needed health services from a provider who has similar cultural and racial identity as the two most important factors for which to facilitate improved health access and health and wellness access supports in our Black community. Therefore, addressing the barriers and burdens of anti-Black racism on health and wellness begins with breaking the silence.
It also begins with confronting the stigma
and ensuring access to timely, appropriate, and culturally responsive health care.
We look forward to working with a number of partners in this role and strengthening relationships with resources and stakeholders to help support, empower, and improve the outcomes for our Black and racialized youth in our city. So we're ready. Are you ready?
Let's go!